Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the second day of May 2013, and I just want to make this one because it's showing something right now that I just thought I needed to record and show. Because if I don't do it right away, I miss them. I mean, you miss out. So this is an alignment that a readjustment I just did earlier because I had this centered in Newfoundland before, and I just moved it over a little bit because I could see I was right in the right area for this alignment right here. And this one right here is really nice. This helps you see this inner. Here, let me turn this stuff off. Hold on a second. This inner area here highlights it. You see that? That's a really good alignment right there. Wow, look at that. That's nice. It's all over here. Let's take it. Oh, look at that. What is this? Sometimes you get those ones just fit so well. Look at that. Wow. Incredible. Yeah, that's a good one. Check this out down here, right here. Look at this, right here. Look at that right there. That is incredible. What is that? When do you see that? When you look at that, when you see that, what is that? Look at that. That's very nice. Let's turn the borders on, turn the weather off, check the borders, see what happens. Florida. You know, I can see this line right here for sure. Comes through right there. Look at that, right there on the moon. Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, boy, look at this. Hold on a second. It almost lines up perfect. You see that? This line right comes through here. It almost lines up perfect. Almost. Close enough. Look at that right in the center there. Look at that. Oh, fits there really good too. Weather fits there beautifully though. Better than anything. That's a for sure, I'd say. That one's a for sure. That fits so well. It fits so good. Look at this weather for that. Jeez. Whoever made this picture, I don't know what they're trying to do. This is a magic picture. It fits all over the earth, in the weather and on the earth. Perfect. Look at that weather fit all up there. Look at that. All on the edges right there. Look at this. Look at that. And I had no idea what the weather was going to look like just now when I brought it up, because I did this one earlier today, so I had no idea it was going to look, you know, just as good as it did when I lined it up earlier. It's pretty good. That's pretty accurate right there, I'd say. I mean, if this person made this picture to fit like this everywhere on the earth, there's something to that way. There's something to it anyway. Besides, I mean, regardless, there's something to it. The way that it fits so well everywhere on the earth. And like I said, the weather shows it to you all the time. I found that I mean, I brought this up because I saw the weather pattern. I already have this overlay in place, but I just moved it earlier today. To be honest about that. See, turn the weather off, or just, let's see, turn this off and turn the weather back on. Okay, see that circular pattern? Look at that. How could that not be what I just showed you? How could that not be that? See how good it fit? I mean, every detail, it fits right in there. Fit right in there. Just like that. Oh, look at that. Interesting. I'm sure some people must think that is interesting. Hopefully. So sure as hell is. Weather. I mean, I could show you this stuff in the weather all day long. I know a lot of areas where I can just put stuff down at any time. No matter I know the spot. This was already here, just a little bit. I had it a little bit off. Maybe sometimes the weather shows it a little bit differently each time as well. Look at that. I can see that right there. Look at that. That's an impact. That weather is showing you an impact by the moon. Wake up. That's what that shows you. I don't care if you're a meteorologist and you think I'm crazy. You're lying. That's what that is. If you don't know that, that's what that is. That's what that is. So look at this circle. Look at this. What is that? Just the jet stream? Okay, whatever. Sometimes it shows them so well that you can't, not even, I don't think anybody can miss it. Then you got this right here. What is this? Why is this missing? Why is there no weather there? Because this weather's showing something right here. Right here, I bet. Right under here. I can almost see it now. I should save that and just try to work with it anyway, because I can kind of see it on the edges here. What I need to do. I'll just wait till later. See how they take the whole strip out? There's something probably showing right here real well. Okay, let's see. Where's that Schrodinger one at? Show how well that's showing up right now. Let's see. I turn that on. Which one was that one? South Pole of the Moon. Oh, it's down here now, that's right. Oh, look at that today. Look at it today. Schrodinger, South Pole of the Moon. Right where I showed it the other day with the weather. Look at that, weather's missing right there. And look at the weather that is there. Let's check it. Goes right there. But look at this right here. Damn it! I thought I turned that off. Look at the weather coming right out of that circle right there. That's interesting. Very interesting. Look how it comes out. Look at the shape. See that? Holy shit. Tell me. Look at that right there too. Look at that. Okay? Same shape, you get the same pattern in the clouds right there that are fitting right in there. Any day that I put this up here and there's weather there, not any day, sometimes it doesn't look like it fits too well, but almost any day there's weather here, it'll show that. It'll show it fitting in this crater, because this crater apparently shapes that area or something. I predict. That's what I've come out with. It must. Just it does. I don't know what else to say. It's always the same size. Yeah, look how that comes out. You can definitely see this right here, this part of this crater right here. Watch. Look at that. That's pretty good. I mean, they're fooling us pretty good if this didn't happen, I'm telling you. This is why they do this. They hide the weather. Believe it or not, whenever this is a week after the full moon, almost. Probably 5 days after the full moon. Like I said, it's about 5 days after the full moon. You start to see the circular patterns pretty good. We've been seeing them, but they start to really show up, 5 days after. About 5 days. Look at this one here. This area here. This one down. There's one right down here that I could fit right here. The South Pole of the Moon right here. perfectly. Guaranteed fit. Guaranteed the weather will just match it beautifully, perfectly. Show you the craters, everything. Yeah, that's the same one we just looked at. South America. I got one for that too, and actually started to line up this one right here. It hits right here. It's like right here, right in the center, right here, and then Schrodinger's here. Hits right there. And that impact. South pole of the moon hitting there. South pole of the moon hitting over here. Let's see what degree is that on. I wonder. That's a good idea to check that one. Alright, that's on the equator pretty much. Always check that. South America. Where's that one at? Oh boy, didn't mark it. Right there. Look how the weather still lines up in that really well. I know it's huge because it's on the equator. Anything you put on the equator it's always huge. How the weather fits in there still. Look at this right here. Watch. Look at this. Watch this part right here. Watch. Look at this up here. Look at it fit right. See that? Watch. Watch. Look at that. Oh, right here too. Look at this. Shit. Fits right in there. You can see how it fits right in there. See, I think this one hits the same time. I think it hits Central Asia, because I think this circle that you see in South America, let me just turn off the stuff here. This circle right here, this that you see, this circular shape, I think it'll go with Asia. I think it goes over Asia at one point. They were together at one time. Almost positive. Alright, I'll show you that in the next video. Alright.